welcome to Yami's Kitchen, where we cook African food, African dishes, African cuisine, African flavor with all American ingredients. We love to dance, we love to be happy while we're doing this cooking. Today I'll be cooking moi moi. Moi moi is a traditional dish in Yoruba land. Other cultures have it, some people call it olele, and it's made with peeled beans. It's like a dumpling or or a pudding, but it's steamed, just like the way the Chinese steam their dumpling. Okay, for the ingredients, I'm gonna take you to my table and let me show you my ingredients. Welcome to Yami's Kitchen again. I am cooking moi moi, olele, bean pudding, or anything you want to call it. Today, the main ingredient is beans. So I'm using the black eyed pea. I'm showing you how I'm going to do it. This is the black eyed pea. Okay, I bought it from Walmart, and this is, you have to soak it, then wash it. When you wash it, it's going to be like this. Then I'll take it to my blender where I blend it. We are going to need eggs. I'm using mackerel fish to garnish the moi moi. Then you need red bell pepper, tomatoes, habanero pepper. My habanero pepper was dehydrated. It was dry, then I dehydrated it. That's why it's looking like that. You need your onion, your bouillon cubes or bouillon seasoning, which is chicken seasoning for me, your salt, and the canola oil, which is the corn oil that I have over there. Then you're going to need your ramekins. In Nigeria, we use leaves, to put it together. Or sometimes when we were younger, we used to use calm milk. Actually, we collect the calm milk and take the lid off and clean it off, and we maintain that. So for today, I'm going to be using the ramekins. So hold on and let me take you to the blender where I blend all these things together.
If you wanna feel the taste, and you wanna be alright, yummy, 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 yummy. All the menu, all the cooking, all the flavor, the apple for Yami's Kitchen. All the menu, any kind of food you want to. All the cooking, the apple for Yami's.
So we want to puree it till it's pureed, and don't add too much water. I'm going to add the onion and the pepper, and I'll show you when we're done. So the washed beans, I've already put it in my Ninja. So I'm going to puree it till everything is pureed. Then I will pour it in this bowl so you can see. Then we'll go from there. And I'm going to add my pepper as I do that. Okay, this is blended. You can see the pepper, separation of the pepper and the beans. I'm going to mix this together, and I'm going to put some Maggi in it, or seasoning cube. We keep on calling Maggi if you are from West Africa, because the brand that serves us is Maggi. Actually, it's chicken seasoning or beef seasoning. So I'm going to mix this, and I will show you the finishing product. I mix it, I'm going to put the oil, and I'm going to involve you doing that. So I finished grounding the beans with the pepper. I am mixing it together. This is obviously a large quantity of grounded beans, so I'm going to divide into two. I'm making some as akara for my children, which you will see, and the other part I'm going to use this for my moi moi. I'm going to mix this together with all the ingredients. Then I will divide it into my ramekins and my containers for the steaming. So let's see.
Yami's Kitchen. All the menu, all the cooking, all the flavor, the apple for Yami's Kitchen. All the menu, any kind of food you want to. All the cooking, the apple for Yami's Kitchen. I am hungry, I want famished. What's the
Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Akara is done. And I'm ready to pair with either my gari, my ogi pap, or my custard. So this is my grounded beans, and these are the things, like I said, that you're going to need for this. I've already peeled the boiled egg, cut it into pieces, so it will be just right portion for each size of the moi moi. I've already deveined and tear the macrofish, like I told you. This is the macrofish right here. Now you're going to need bouillon powder, chicken bouillon powder, any kind of chicken bouillon powder, or any kind of bouillon powder you have. You're going to need some grounded crayfish and pepper, which is what I'm going to use. Now I have the nice ramekins for my husband and the cheap ramekins, which is the white plastic ramekins that you're seeing right here. So that's what you're going to be needing for this moi moi. Now I'm going to put some water, because if you don't put water in this beans, it's not going to come out fluffy. So you want it to be the consistency of the pancake mix. So you see, this is enough water. I don't know how to measure this, but I'm eyeballing it. But you want a pancake mixture, texture, or consistency. Now I'm going to put my 3 spoons of chicken bouillon powder, a 1/4 spoon of salt, and generous pepper and crayfish, which is optional for you. Then I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to put 3 spoons of vegetable oil, any odorless oil will do, or any kind of oil you want to use. Some people use palm oil, but I'm using canola corn oil right now. So I'm going to mix this together. When I finish mixing it with my mixer, for you to get the best results of the moi moi olele, you have to beat it up, or you have to mix it properly. Thank God for mixer, my hand mixer I'm using to mix it up, so that the results will be fluffy and beautiful when it's done. So I have finished blending and mixing the moi moi mixture, the beans, pepper, and the ingredient mixture. So this is part of the ramekins that I'm steaming them in. So I put this ramekins right here with the eggs and the fish in and getting ready to be steamed. I just took some of the moi moi that's steamed. It's already done. The ones that in the ramekins, breakable ramekins out, I am plating it for presentation. It looks so nice. Moi moi checked. We have finally completed my moi moi elemi miji. This is my love portion for my family. This is how I'm going to present my own. I just wanted to elevate it a little bit. That's why I'm putting these dishes to make it look beautiful. This is so delicious. And thank you for staying tuned and watching me. And if you stayed this far, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Please make this channel blow. Subscribe, like, follow, press the notification bell. Don't forget just to be happy. Happiness is a choice. Love you and always. Yemi's Kitchen. Bye.